going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video. So, besides all the noise that's going on outside here on my balcony, what I have behind me here is going to be a DIY project that I've been wanting to do on the car for a long time. And what we have is a Mustang GT grill that is from a 17. So we're going to be basically cutting all this out, putting a cool mesh on there hopefully, and if I like it without the mesh, then I will leave the mesh off. But let's go ahead and dive down to some of the tools you're going to need and some of the safety equipment. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need some safety glasses. These are my shooting glasses. Go ahead and I guess put those on right now so we can look smart and sophisticated. Boom. We're going to need some safety gloves, which you can find anywhere. You're going to need some sandpaper. I'm not sure exactly if these are the right grits, but I got 800 and then I got 320. So some of those, and then the main important part of this is going to be a Dremel. You can go cordless, corded, doesn't matter. But that, and then I think I seen a video a guy using like the brass like cutting wheel. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pop this all on and then go ahead and get started. I guess this will be like part one of it, this little build here. And my dog is trying to come outside, so he's staying outside or inside. So let's go ahead and get this going. Okay, so before I get my gloves on, hopefully you guys can see right here, this like little like perforated line. That's where your cut line's gonna be. So because if you see, don't have anything to wipe this off with, I'm just gonna leave it dirty. But there's like a perforated like little like part right here, and then there's a smooth part. So the smooth part is like right here of the grill, and then the perforated part, or like the textured part, is like the honeycomb part. So you're gonna cut along that line all the way across, and same thing on this part. This part's actually pretty important because yeah, well, on this side it's actually really important because that's where my intake is. So oh, sorry, right here is where my intake is. So go ahead and I guess get the cutting and then clean her up, and then we'll be ready for part two. Let's get into it. Safety gloves on, just so you don't slice anything off. Alright. Once again, you can see the line. And we're going to go ahead and get our Dremel here and get the cutting. Flip this around so it's easier for me. Maybe I need a different disc. Shut up! My damn dog. Oh, before you do something like this, let me change my disc. Okay, after trial and error, I found out which bit I needed. It was like this like little sand discs thing, so I have a bunch of those. Thank goodness. So we're going to go ahead and get the getting. So basically, like I said, you're just going to go across this line that I already made right here, and then go all the way around as cleanly as you possibly can. And yeah, just try and get it done. It shouldn't have taken this long to get this done, just saying. So go ahead and go across, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a second. guys, since the last time you've seen that clip, a lot of things has changed. So I went ahead and I had to go out and buy a brand new Dremel. I had to buy one from actual Dremel company. And then I actually went out and bought some actual sanding discs from Harbor Freight, which are right here. That's not it. Which are right here, which are these discs right here. Hope you guys can see that. But they're the actual metal discs that cut through the plastic very, very well. And I didn't record it, but because I didn't want to record this and then it not come out great. The grill is done. It just took a lot of time because I do live in an apartment building and that noise was horrendous. So here is the grill that is completed, and I hope you guys enjoy it when it goes on the car. Maybe this week, maybe next week, I'm not too sure, but for you it's going to be all one video. So here it is. So as you can see, I have a mesh on it. It looks really, really good. On the back side, it looks like trash, only because the glue. But, and what some people pointed out on Instagram is this mesh, like direction, is the opposite of this direction. So, yeah, that's gonna be a little bit tough. Hopefully the next video you guys see, or the next part you're going to see pretty soon, is going to be the install of the grill, what it looks like before and after. If you guys have a 17 Mustang, you guys know, or at least an EcoBoost. But yeah, it's going to look way better. I can't wait. But just for a heads up, guys, if you guys want to support the channel, liking, subscribing always helps, but as you guys know, I do make custom decals. So if you guys want a custom decal, please let me know. Just hit me up on Instagram at Focus200, and we can get everything settled, prices and everything. So, because I don't have a website, but it's a start. It's something. So I'll catch you guys in a second when we get this thing installed. What's going on, you guys? Okay, now we have the grill in the back, and we're gonna go ahead and install it really, really quick. Gotta go to Fresno, hang out with a buddy of mine. We're gonna do a couple more things to the car. I was gonna put my new brake pads on the front, but I'm not gonna go ahead and do that today. It is actually really, really cold out, so let's get the car warmed up, and then we can go ahead and head to Fresno and put it on the grill. And then my back spacers, because I took those off, and then we can go ahead and wrap up this very, very long video. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so we are here at my boy Gary's house. He is too sexy for the camera, so he doesn't want to be on camera, which I totally respect, but he's a good guy, I promise. You might have seen him on Instagram. But we got the bumper off. Pretty much simple process. It's you've seen Bill from CJ Pony Parts do all the time. But to take off the front grill, you have these little tabs right here that you, I think, lift up or down on. I'm not too sure. But gonna go take those off and then put on the new one that's over there, and hopefully everything goes fine. But let's go ahead and get this off, and then we'll see how well this doesn't break my fingers. See you in a second.
Oh my goodness.
Hey Nick, what you doing there, bud?
Hey there, bud.
Putting on some of their Christmas lights there, bud? Why don't you say hello to the fans there, bud?
Hey there, bud.
Everybody knows Nick there, bud. We're going Canadian over here, eh? So, update. Grill is on. Bumper's on. And eventually I'm going to get the bumper clips here because they're just kind of on there. But it looks good. I mean, how do you guys like it? You can't even see the mistake that I made actually right here, but it's fine. Hope you guys like that. But with all that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys all later. Peace.